Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials quickly: Windows 64-bit, current updates, and a healthy driver stack. Install Visual C++ redistributables, both x86 and x64, because many games call 32-bit DLLs from 64-bit systems. Once done, update DirectX Runtime and .NET. These libraries resolve common DLL mismatches. Make sure to run the game launcher as administrator only after these installs so files can register properly. This prevents early 0xc00007b triggers caused by missing or mismatched system libraries. Next, you repair the installation. Use the game's launcher to verify or repair files so corrupt or missing assets are restored. If the error persists, inspect DLL dependencies. Tools like Dependency Walker reveal mismatched 32 versus 64-bit libraries, which cause 0xc00007b. Replace only the incorrect architecture DLLs. Never overwrite system DLLs indiscriminately, and reinstall the specific Visual C++ redistributable linked to the failing module. Once replacements are in place, reboot to ensure the loader picks up the correct binaries. To finish, reboot and run the game as administrator to confirm the fix. You might also run the launcher once to let it rebuild configs. If 0xc00007b remains, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system corruptions that can break DLL loading. Make sure to try a clean reinstall of the game if system repairs fail. And as a last troubleshooting tip, test on a fresh Windows user profile. This isolates corrupted user-specific settings that can mimic binary faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.